I left my daughter alone with our dog and have never been the same. Our daughter was 2 years old, and I didn't think she'd remember anything about when her dad got sick. He started complaining about chest pain and went to the doctor multiple times. We always brought our daughter with us because she was too little to stay home and loved playing with the doctor's stethoscope. She loved listening to our heartbeat, so we got her a toy one to play with at home. The doctor's visits became more frequent, but we pretended it was okay.